Hello friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Ankit Sudhera. Today we will learn about HTML forms. If you have not seen the previous videos related to HTML, basic CSS, kindly see it so that you can understand well. Okay, let's get started. So basically HTML forms are required when you want to collect information like name, email address, message, etc. So basically guys, for example, you have a contact form in the website. If you want to collect the user information or user want to say something to you, okay, then you want to place a form. Okay, so the forms are used in many applications as well because this is most important part. Okay, so forms are defined with form tag. Okay, let's see an example. Form we need to mention, and then there is a first name, and then this is a input tag. So basically inside the form, this is the input tag, input type text, name first name, id first name. So name is the most important part in the input type because name will carry the data, okay, when you submitting the form. So let's see an example on our HTML page. I will just open a HTML editor. I will just save this code. Okay, so if you can see guys, we have to write our basic structure. We need to remember it always. Head, then we can close the head, then we will start the body. So we will just go the alignments. Okay, I will just save this file. So today we will learn and we will save this file in the PHP format. Okay, we will just write it PHP in the last. Okay, and then it will work only in the server. As I said before guys, that PHP works with the server only. Either you need to make a local host or the web server. Okay, so I will just write class 6 forms. Okay, I will just save it on the desktop. Okay, I will copy this file and I will place it in the htdocs folder. Okay, because if you remember that we have installed XAMPP. Okay, inside the XAMPP you need to place it to make it run because this is a PHP file. So htdocs, I will just place it here. Okay, I will just copy this file and I will put it like this. So I will just mention it .php. I will put it like this. Okay, so if you can see guys, the first name is there. Okay, the input type text, so you can enter any information. Okay, so let me try to tell you the form. Basically there are many things used within the form tag. Okay, that we will learn it. Let's try to see. So basically we have another example which is using action. Okay, inside the form there is a action means where the information will go. Okay, if you don't put anything or you remove the action like this, it will be sent within the page. Okay, the information will be sent to the within the PHP page. Okay, if you mention it something like this submit.php, so information will be sending to submit.php page. Okay, the information about these things, input type for example text, input type password. Okay, this information will be sent to submit page. Method, basically we use specify the HTTP method used to sending the data to the web browser by the browser. So basically web server, so you are sending the data by the web browser to the web server. Okay, so there are basically two kinds of methods we use it: post and get. Okay, so post and get, you need to understand the difference between post and get. Let me try to show you example so it will be easier to understand. So here if you can see there is no action. Okay, or action you can put it blank. Okay, it means it is sending the data, this data inside the the same PHP page. Okay, and if you don't want to mention, this is the same thing. So default is within the page. Let's try to just put it like this, and then the action, then the method. Okay, so method, we have two kinds of method, get and post. So in the get method, so basically if you don't put any method, it is a get method. Okay, default value is get. So get means the data is sending to within the URL. Let me try to show you. So for example, I save this page, I'll just refresh this page. Okay, if you can see this PHP page, it doesn't have anything. But if you put something, for example, my name is Ankit. Okay, if you submit it, automatically, if you can see first name, it's the first name. Okay, field name, it's a input type field name. Okay, it's a field name. The data is here automatically in the URL. So this is called get method. So if you want all the data to be in the URL, this is a get method. In the post method, you cannot see any data in the URL. Guys, let's try to see another example. Okay, we have the another example. Let me try to open the htdocs folder. Okay, we have another file. I will just open it. Okay, it has a username and it has a password. Okay, let's try to see this page. Okay, for example, I mention username and some password. If I submit it, okay, if you can see in the URL there is nothing. Okay, as I said before that in the post method there will be nothing. Okay, if we can see the code, okay, the method is post. Okay, method is post and action is blank. Okay, we are sending the data within the same page. Username, okay, with the label field. Okay, so basically the label tag is used to define the label for input elements. Okay, so label is using for defining the input elements, that what it is about. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned about this form. Okay, next class we will learn more about forms. We will send this data, okay, to another page, another PHP page. Okay, and we will save this information in our database. Okay, I hope guys it's clear. If there is any issues, any concern, kindly ask us anytime. Let us know your thoughts, and if you have any request, any kind of special request, special system or functions, please let us know, guys. We are working hard and we will help you for sure. Thank you for watching our video. Please kindly subscribe and like our video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.